How to add someone to private Slack channel. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add someone to private Slack channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for slack.com and further open your Slack workspace. Here on the top right, you will see a bunch of profile icons indicating the members in your Slack group. Simply tap on that and now you can tap on the search bar to search for existing members, and to add new members, tap on the Add People option you see there. In the pop-up that appears, go ahead and enter a name or email address of the member you are looking forward to add and then tap on the Add button. Once added, you can tap on the Invite More People if you want to add more people, and if not, you can tap on Finished, and this is how you can add someone to a private Slack channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.